Day 6. Ravi's big opportunity. Ravi woke up early in the morning. He looked fresh and confident. It had been 1 week since he joined the company. The first day was scary. The second day was challenging. But now, Ravi was slowly becoming comfortable. Still, deep inside, he knew one thing. I need to improve more. Morning at home. Ravi was having breakfast with his mother. Mother, how is your office work going? Ravi smiled. It is good, Mom. But I still feel nervous when I speak English. Mother replied calmly. Don't worry. Practice every day. You will improve. Ravi nodded. He packed his bag and left for office. At the office. As soon as Ravi entered the office, his manager called him. Ravi, can you come to my cabin? Ravi's heart started beating fast. He went inside. Manager said, Ravi, next week we have a small presentation for a new client. Ravi listened carefully. Manager continued. I want you to prepare a small part of the presentation. Ravi was shocked. Me? Presentation? In English? He felt nervous. But this time, he did not stay silent. He said softly, Yes sir, I will try my best. Manager smiled. That's the spirit. Fear inside Ravi. After coming back to his desk, Ravi was thinking. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? What if I forget words? His colleague Priya noticed his tension. Priya, Ravi, are you okay? Ravi explained everything. Priya smiled and said, Relax. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I was scared on my first presentation. Ravi looked surprised. Really? Yes, she said. The secret is practice. Ravi starts practicing. That evening, Ravi went home and opened his laptop. He started writing simple English sentences for his presentation. He did not use difficult words. He practiced in front of the mirror. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to present. Our company provides. At first, he made mistakes. But he repeated again and again. Slowly, his confidence increased. Practice with friend. Ravi called his friend on video call. Listen to my presentation and tell me honestly. He started speaking. He paused sometimes. He forgot one word. But he did not stop. After finishing, his friend said, Bro, you are improving. Just speak slowly. That small encouragement made Ravi happy. Night thoughts. Before sleeping, Ravi was thinking. 1 month ago, I was afraid to speak one sentence. Now I am preparing a presentation. He smiled. Improvement is slow, but it is powerful. Presentation day, beginning of big moment. Finally, the presentation day arrived. Ravi was nervous but prepared. He took a deep breath. Manager announced. Now Ravi will explain the next part. Everyone looked at him. Ravi stood up. For a few seconds there was silence. Then he started. Good morning everyone. His voice was slightly shaking. But he continued. Sentence by sentence. Slowly. Clearly. And this time. He did not stop.